You know, as a boat owner, I'm always looking for accessories that I can put on my bass boat to make my life easier and of course catch more fish. So when I heard about Siren Marine and the Siren 3 Pro, I was a bit skeptical as if it would help me as a bass fisherman. But after having this thing in my boat for a year, monitoring everything in terms of battery, security, engine data, I have a few really cool stories to share with you as a bass fisherman about Siren Marine. My name's Tyler, and let's jump on the water. One time I left my boat at my uncle's house in Minnesota, and I could see for days and days on the chart, my batteries are charging. The charge is not going up or down, it is staying consistent because my boat is plugged in. But all of a sudden, I got a notification that my battery level was low, which is odd because if you're charging, your battery level shouldn't be low. So I gave my uncle a call and I said, hey, Siren told me my batteries were low, and he said, oh shoot, I forgot that I had unplugged the power cable to move my lawnmower. Let me go plug it back in. And so if I hadn't have had the notification on my phone about my battery level, then my boat batteries could have been totally dead. And a second time in one summer, I'm staying with a buddy, leaving my boat there, and all of a sudden, I get the notification my battery levels are low on my boat. Doesn't make any sense. It was plugged in when I left. I gave him a call, he checks on it. Turns out the fuse or the breaker on the wall was actually blown. It had stopped sending charge to my boat. So twice in 1 year alone, my days were saved because I didn't return to my boat with uncharged batteries. I have ultimate peace of mind when it comes to my battery charging because anywhere in the world with cell coverage or Wi-Fi, I can check on the battery status of my boat, which means the world to me. I love Siren Marine. I will have it in all of my bass boats going forwards, and regardless of whatever type of boat you have, bass boat, bay boat, saltwater, freshwater, Siren Marine has a place in your boat and can help you monitor everything you need to know. That way you can have the most effective time on the water possible. My name's Tyler, and we'll see you guys out there on the water.